Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the language on your account on Claude easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application. Now as you see here, click on this flash right here and then click on this icon up here, and then as you see here you will find speech language, so click on it. Now as you see here you can change the language whatever you want, French or English or English India, English United Kingdom. So that's it, that's how to change your language on your account on Claude easy and quickly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.